To fix a Google AdSense account that is not active, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a valid Google AdSense account and that you have completed the sign-up process. If your account is not active, it may be due to incomplete sign-up, incorrect information, or policy violations. Step 1. Verify your email address. Log into your Google AdSense account and check if your email address is verified. If not, click on the verification link sent by Google AdSense to your email address. Step 2. Check your account status. Log into your Google AdSense account and navigate to the account status page. Check if there are any pending tasks or issues that need to be resolved. Step 3. Complete your account information. Ensure that your account information is complete and accurate, including your name, address, and contact details. Incomplete or inaccurate information may cause your account to be inactive. Step 4. Review Google AdSense policies. Familiarize yourself with Google AdSense policies and ensure that your website or content complies with them. Policy violations can cause your account to be inactive or even terminated. Step 5. Verify your website. Ensure that your website is verified in Google AdSense. You can do this by adding a meta tag or HTML code to your website. This step is crucial to activate your account and start displaying ads. Step 6. Wait for approval. After completing the above steps, wait for Google AdSense to review and approve your account. This process may take a few days, so be patient and check your email for updates. Best practices to keep in mind include regularly checking your account status, ensuring compliance with Google AdSense policies, and providing accurate and complete account information. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix your Google AdSense account that is not active and start monetizing your website or content.